Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8007042c for Windows Update or Firewall, then please watch this video. Now, even when we talk about Firewall, the procedure will be the same as that for Windows Update because both are managed by similar services. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Let it detect problems and resolve them. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. How would you do that? So we have a script for you. I will share the script in the description section of the video. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Now tell you what the script will do. It will stop all services related to Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. And then it will re-register all the DLLs. And finally, it will reset WinSock and then it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.